it's Shay. I'm here from my Walmart midweek haul for y'all. It's cloudy today. It's even a little drizzly and stuff. I'm just like, look, it was just 100,000 gazillion degrees yesterday. What the heck, universe? What the heck, universe? But listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Definitely subscribe. Make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you know about selling a video. And so I have a midweek, y'all. I've been getting my midweeks. I just ain't been getting my weekends. So Ibotta, if you're watching, because we know you like to watch us. We know. Hey, boo. What's up with this weekend? Okay. So my midweek is 18 offers for $5. Most of us have multiple redemptions counting. If not all of us, right? So this should be pretty easy. I mean, I literally got like 3 items. I can just get 5 and I'll be good. So I'm not even gonna overstress this because the deals are not dealing y'all right now. And then as far as my rock and roll bonus, I am at 65 of 95 for 35 back. So I still need 30 offers for that. So we'll do the 18 we need for our midweek, and then we'll probably be able to knock that out this weekend, which will be really, really good. So a lot of you guys have been talking about the sister apps. I mentioned in the previous video that I was having issues cashing out on my points and inbox dollars. And so when you click on it, like, it goes away really fast. Like, so I hit up customer service. They said basically log out, because my accounts are automatically logged in. So he said log out and then log back in. That worked, but literally dead ass only worked one time. So now it's like I have to click it real fast. Like, literally you have to be faster than last time. You have to click it real fast. So I have to click it real fast so it'll accept it, because I don't know why it's been doing that like lately. It's been doing that. So all right, guys, I wanted to show you exactly what I'm talking about for those of you who do not know. Now, when you click on it and then you click your redemption, right, it goes away really fast, right? So literally it took me, I want to say 3 or 4 tries before it actually went. This is the second time I tried to see it goes away really, really quick. So literally I have to have my finger right there where, see where the redeem is at? That's where the confirm pops up. So I leave my finger there and I have to click it real fast, right? See, confirm. You have to click it real fast. See, it took me literally 4 tries before it actually went through. And I've had this again happen with my points and inbox dollars. So hope this tip helps. I haven't had the issue with Swagbucks or Tada though. And so that's just a tip for you guys that are cashing out. And I've been cashing out with only PayPal. All right. The other thing, what else? A lot of you guys were talking about, like, I posted some pictures on my my community tab. Y'all know I'm knocked down like 25 pounds as of today, which is so freaking awesome. I'll post my pictures right here. I do have a fitness channel that and I do videos over there. So if you want to go over there, I'll have a link. I always have a link in the description for you if you want to join me over there. But your girl's been on her fitness grind and I'm down 25 pounds as of today, you guys. And yeah, I'm freaking feeling amazing. And so with that being said, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab us today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
All right, guys, so this first deal is on the Pepsi. We have another text me offer for free. So it's on Pepsi now. I already said that, right? Get it together, Chanel. So I'm going to try the 2-liter and see if it works. Because if y'all remember when they had the Starry, it worked on the 2-liter. So I'm going to see if it's going to work for me. But if you want to just grab the 20 ounce, it's priced at $2.28. And then we have brand clips over here for 45 cents. So it'll make it a 45 cent moneymaker. But again, we're going to try the 2-liter. I think they're priced cheaper. They're usually cheaper. And then what? Rockstar. You can grab Rockstar again. Price at $1.88, of course. Grabbing 2 of them, you'll pay $3.76. Getting back 5 through the aisles offer, which can be done every other week. And it's going to make that a $1.24 moneymaker. All right, so this next 3 deals I shared in my last video. And I guess all these companies are like, you know, we can make mac and cheese too. You got Quaker up here. You got Rice-A-Roni saying we could do it. Kraft is the original, so you can't, but they are Kraft, not cheese. Kraft mac and not cheese. So this one here is priced at $3. You're going to be getting back $1 on Ibotta, 45-cent brand club survey makes that $155, limit of 5. I want to say rice-a-roni. It's the macaroni price at $108. Would make that one 18 cents with the 45-cent brand club survey and 50 cents back on Ibotta. Here's priced at $168. And then you're getting back 75 cents on Ibotta and a 50-cent brand club survey. So it'd make that 43 cents. So the Pepsi 2 liters are priced at $198. So if it does work for the text offer, you'll get that back plus 45 cents on brand club would make that a 45-cent moneymaker. So I'm gonna grab one. I want to grab the zero sugar one, but I don't want to chance it because it just says Pepsi. So we're gonna see if this is gonna work. I'll let you guys know. So this next deal just popped up on Social Nature. It's on the Califia Farms oat milk. This store doesn't actually sell the red one. It's the complete version. And this is like one of the only 2 stores that I can get the offer at. It's here in Target. Target has it, but the offer on Ibotta is not for Target, it's only for Walmart. So if you can find it, and it's available at one of your listed stores for social nature. Like whenever I say it, I gotta think about it. Anyways, it's priced at $5.12. You'll get back $3 on Ibotta, and then you'll get back a 50% offer on Social Nature, making it a 44-cent moneymaker. All right, guys, so this next deal is on the Steam. As you can see, this store is completely out, but it kind of looks like this, only it's made by Steam. I did mention this in my last video because I figured it wasn't going to last long, and it really, really didn't. I don't even think it's available anywhere anymore as far as the apps are concerned, but you want to grab one price at $17.78. You'll get back 10 on Ibotta, 10 on ShopMium, 10 on inbox dollars, making this a $12.22 moneymaker. Now it's also available for Walmart Cash. I went ahead and did 2 on separate transactions. I'm making one a $12.91 moneymaker and the other one a $12.22 moneymaker. So definitely was an awesome deal. I hope you grabbed it when you could. And so yeah, guys, so if y'all watched my last video, y'all see that I got this one by mistake. And so I had to bring that one back this morning. So I grabbed this one, which is the Radiant Mint one. It's priced at $3.97. And then it was working for 2 different offers on Ibotta, both for $2. And then I had a 50-cent bonus as well. And then 55 cents on brand club. So I made that a $1.08 moneymaker, which is definitely not bad. So yeah, of course we're here getting more condoms as if we need them. But I suppose they're good donation items, right? We're going to grab the Dorex price at $6.36. So we're going to be getting back $3 on Alexa. I think I did my points last time, so $3 on Swagbucks. And then I also have a brand club server for 50 cents, making that a 14-cent moneymaker. Guys, really, really quick, I had to double back because I remembered that we have $10 offers on this across the board. Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, ta-da, and ShopMium and Alexa. So I figured I would grab them. Reason why you see so many is because when I scan them, it's scanned for $5. So hoping it's gonna scan for that up front. I might have one of the associates scan it for me just to make sure that it does. They're stocked on the shelves over there on that whole entire aisle, so I had to do it over here. $5, you guys. So if I do one of them and submit to each of the sister apps, Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, ShopMium, Alexa, it'll make them all a $5 moneymaker for each one. If I do Swagbucks and ShopMium, Alexa, and My Points, and then just do 2 more of these for, like, let's say, Inbox and ta-da, it'll make it a much bigger moneymaker. So I'm going to try that and see if it works out. Although I am low-key thinking of just getting 2 extra ones. I don't think I am, though. I'm just going to go and just grab the 4 and see how it works out. And so, yes, you guys, let me show you the DPC just in case you check your area. Because I did see these on clearance a while ago. And these wasn't even on the shelf. These were on the top, very top tier. The very top, right? Overflow, overstock. And so, check your area. So, yeah. And of course, we're at Target. So I saw Saving with Savannah post this on Instagram this morning when I was at Walmart. So I was like, okay, let's do this deal as well. So it's on the Nexus. It's priced at $4.19 at my store, and right now it's buy three get one free. And so we're going to be paying for three of them. We'll pay $12.57, and then there's an offer on Ibotta for $2.50 with a limit of 5. So we'll get that back times 4. And then for Nexus, I do have brand club surveys as well, 55, 50, and 40. Bringing these down to only 28 cents each. Now I'm also going to grab the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie as well. It's priced at $3.19. Again, buy 3 get 1 free. So the price of 3 of them is going to be $9.57, and then getting back $2.50 times 4 on Ibotta will make that a 43-cent moneymaker. At this time, I don't have any brand club surveys, but I might unlock some surveys for Shea Moisture.
All right, guys, this worked out so freaking amazing. OM flipping G. That raid, oh my gosh, that raid was just awesome. I was gonna grab 6, but I was like, why? But why? But why? I could not give myself a good enough answer, so we grabbed 4. And I submitted, like I said in the video, that's how I did it. And I'm waiting for only 1 receipt to process, and that was for my points. Everywhere else, it went straight through. And I actually ended up having brand club surveys as well, so it made it an even bigger moneymaker. I think I had 55, 50, and 45, which was cool. The stem, I shared that in my, well, I shared it in this video, but I did it in my last video. The offers for that went through across the board as well. I know a lot of you guys are saying that it was taking longer for them to process. Body armor, I mentioned this in my last video, but not in this video. Those are on clearance for $6, and you're getting back 3 on Shopmium, 3 on Swagbucks, making it free. My points conversion, I think it's like $3.39 or something like that. And then I also had brand club surveys as well. So it made those a nice little money maker. These went through pretty quick too, surprisingly, because normally Target's receipts take longer to process for me. But those processed pretty quick. I did them on 2 separate transactions, and they scan as well, which is even better when the item actually scans on that. So I would jump on that. I did put a post up on my community tab. Saving with Save over on IG posted that deal this morning, so I definitely had to do it. And then I did the Rockstar 2 times. And I just got credit yesterday morning for 3 of the receipts in my last haul. So again, I've been slowing down on the Rockstar just because they're just, I don't know. They're just confused over there at Isles headquarters. I don't know. I just don't know if they need more people working. I don't know. Maybe they hiring. I don't know. I had a ton of receipts today, y'all. Look. All these receipts. And so we're gonna make this part quick because I don't think there's anything else I have to add. Oh, I didn't get the milk. I told you I didn't get the milk because that particular store didn't have it. And they had another milk. It's a goat milk. I'll pop up a picture. There's a free offer on Social Nature as well for that. I didn't grab it because I was like, what the hell I'm gonna do with some goat milk? I sure as hell ain't gonna drink it. If you've tried it, let me know. I mean, it's not gonna influence me to try it, but you know, hey, I would have to donate it to somebody because I'm just not going to drink no goat milk. I'm just not gonna do it. But I'll drink cow milk, huh? Right? That makes no sense. No, I'm just joking. I'm lactose intolerant, so I don't drink milk at all anyways. But that offer is available for you as well. I think Social Nature, they have like maybe 5 or 6 new offers on there. So definitely check it out if you're not aware of what Social Nature is. It's another app for us to try different stuff, you guys. I'll have a link for you in the description. If you haven't checked it out, check it out. Big shout out to Check It Out with Michelle for introducing that app to us. And so other than that, everything you see here retails $130.71. I only had the $7.38, which was for the Shea Moisture and the Nexus, which is buy 3 get 1 free. It brought the out of pocket down to $123.33, and then we walk away with $45.75 from Ibotta. Alexa is $26. My points is $24.58. Shopmium was $23. Swagbucks was $23. Inbox was $13. Tada is $10.
Aisles is 10, and one of my receipts is I'm still waiting for. Brand Club is $6.70, and last but not least, hopefully I'll get back the $1.98 for the Pepsi. But again, I'll keep you guys posted if I do or if I don't. So walking away with a total of $184.01 back in rebates makes everything you see here free plus a $60.68 moneymaker, you guys. OM freaking G. This was an awesome haul. I'm hoping that the Shea Moisture and the Nexus resets because those are just really easy deals. Good quick way to get 8 offers. And so other than that, Josiah, what's your emoji again? I forgot. What was your emoji again? I totally forgot what you said. Fries. I think there is a fries emoji. If you got to the end of the video, we really appreciate you watching. And we will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.